Alright, so just finished temple. We're going to try and take a quick nap before we get up and try and go shoot a sunrise. Hopefully it's still snowing, because like on the way back it just started snowing, but it wasn't enough to, like nothing was collecting on the ground. It wasn't like that super dramatic feel that I'm trying to get, so hopefully we can, hopefully in the next couple hours it keeps snowing and we can get some good shit. So, see you guys. I woke up late, but it's snowing, and we're gonna go try and shoot some shots. It's still coming down. I thought I was gonna get up at sunrise, and I got up at 10 o'clock, so it's time to run around and try and get some good photos. Alright, we're gonna jump in the car. Hopefully it started. There's a cool start. Alright, just trying to warm the car up. It's a little chilly. We're probably gonna go get some coffee real quick, and then figure out a dope location where we're gonna shoot. Trying to make it look snowy. God, I really need to build my arm strength up because this camera just wobbles. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna shoot that, then we're gonna come back and edit this. So let's So we're gonna, it's really coming down. I think we're gonna get some dope stuff. Hopefully we see, maybe we should go walk out and shoot some highway people going real slow or something like that. I don't know. I kind of want the sand trucks because they look super duper rustic and it makes it look like, anyway. But before we do any of that, I gotta get some coffee, so I'll be right back. So now we are gonna go walk over to the street and try and get some photos. Why am I yelling? So totally try to get some shots of coldness, winter, slid through a couple lights. So now we're gonna go back and edit the stuff, and oh god, it's cold. I can't feel my fingers. I had to use I just can't feel my fingers. It's pretty cold out here. And this camera gets really cold. It doesn't help at all. So I'll see you at edit. Hi.